Today, I'm going to be going over how I used a hacker to get unbanned on TikTok. You say unbanned? Well, these hackers claim that they can get you unbanned from TikTok, TikTok Live, and unshadow banned. As you can see, that's been scrolling through over here. There's a lot of them. This just keeps on going. There's thousands of comments like this. So I'm like, let's use one. I picked one named Smacker Hacker. Whatever, it didn't matter. It was just whatever. There's so many names here, right? Well, I contacted them through Instagram. Now I'm going to read the whole conversation to you. I found your ad on a YouTube video. You said you can get TikTok accounts unbanned. Yes, is this your account or is this someone else's account? It is my account. All right. I need a couple things from you first before I get started. What do you need? First things first, there is going to cost. The cost is roughly going to be $100. Ouch. But $100 to get my TikTok account back? Okay, let's do this. How does this work? I'll just need your debit or credit card info. Then you'll be charged $100 from your account. Like the name on the card and the numbers? I just need the full name, the 16 digits of the card, the expiration date, and the 3 digits on the back of the card. Can I use a prepaid card? Prepay will do. Okay, give me a minute. So $100, correct? Correct. It's not letting me get a prepaid card. Let me just give you a card info. Blah, 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 blah. I'm not showing you guys. All right, I'll run this through and get back to you shortly. Okay, so shortly after that, I sent him a text asking, don't you need my username? And I checked my bank. He already took the money out. So I'm like, how is he going to even do the job without even whatever, right? But at this point, I knew it was a scam. I knew it was fake. I knew it was not real, and they're just trying to steal people's information. It's another way for people to get scammed. So, don't ever give out your credit card information, because shortly after that, I got a call from the bank saying, hey, you made all these purchases. I'm like, no, I didn't. Cancel that, please. Cancel the card. Any transaction that happened today? And they did. They canceled it, sent me a new one. It's a card I never used anyway, but point being, don't go to these hackers. They're all fake. Even the ones that are going to type down here, because they're bots, they're all fake. Don't go to them. Don't trust them. And don't give them any information. They're just going to steal your information or whatever money that you're going to give them. That being said, I hope this taught you a lesson through my experiences as an experiment, so you learned something new. Have a good day. Keep on TikToking, and peace.